Ripple XRP holders, it's time to talk about the stablecoin RLUSD. It went live just yesterday, and it's going to be slowly rolling out on multiple exchanges as we close out 2024 and roll into 2025. And remember what this could be. This could be the start of a new era. And I mean a completely new era where the SWIFT banking system literally goes away and we usher in the new world order, if you will, which includes blockchain, includes crypto. And I think RLUSD could be the first chess piece to make a move. And Ripple USD, RLUSD, is said to be a, quote, game changer. This is coming from a SWIFT veteran, somebody who's worked with the SWIFT system, which is how we move money from business to business, bank to bank around the world. This is literally the most important thing when it comes to economics, is how money moves. We've used the SWIFT banking system for a really long time, and it could be the start of the end with the launch of Ripple USD. This is not coming from me. This is not coming from some Joe Blow, which that's who I am. I'm just a dude on YouTube, but please smash the like button, subscribe down below. It helps because, I could continue doing this full time and giving you guys all the best crypto news every single day. This is coming from a SWIFT veteran, somebody who's made their money off the old traditional system. And I want to bring you guys inside this article and tell you a little bit about what's going on and what this person said and what this could really mean as we move into 2025 and as we move into a more digital world. Because let's just face it. I mean, just think back the last 10 years. Have you used cash more now than 10 years ago, or are you increasingly using cash less? Just answer that question, right? It's very, very simple where we're moving here, where we're going. We're living in a more digital world every single day. And it's awesome to hear somebody that has, again, worked in the traditional format say this, and that crypto is the answer, essentially. So let me dive in here. Andre Casterman, a former global head of corporate and trade markets at SWIFT, has described the Ripple USD, RLUSD stablecoin as a game changer for cross-border payments. Corporates and SMEs will be the first ones to love it. Working capital lenders will extend the faster settlement benefits to their SME clients, he said in his X social media post. By the way, XRP Army, I don't know if you guys saw this, Fox News, Fox Business yesterday talked about XRP, talked about Ripple, and how the Ripple stablecoin will be more for the banks and less for retail. But guys, keep in mind, as retail investors, we're investing in this. Like, we still have, an opportunity to make money if this whole system works. And I think eventually we're going to have a retail-focused stablecoin, whether it's this one or another one, that will obviously change our world from a peer-to-peer transaction standpoint. Who knows? XLM could create their own stablecoin somewhere down the line, or maybe XRP, and we end up, using RLUSD as well. But for right now, it's for bank to bank. Right now, it's for business to business. But as reported by you today, the much talked about stablecoin was officially launched yesterday. It is already added to the list of greenlit coins on the website of the New York State Department of Financial Services. Now, we haven't seen the massive exchanges come in and list RLUSD just yet, but we do have like 6 or 7 exchanges rolling this thing out yesterday and today. And I think we're going to see more and more as we close out 2024 and 2025. As I've been mentioning for weeks now, and really up to, probably months, with the Ripple stablecoin hype, that's surrounded us for a while. I've been saying this, like, there's no reason why RLUSD can't be extremely well positioned in the stablecoin market. And it's not to say Tether's going to go away. Tether's going to serve a purpose. I think USDC is going to serve a purpose. And I think RLUSD is going to serve a purpose. But right now we have a monopoly on the stablecoin market. I mean, the mass majority of the capital is tied up in Tether. There's basically $100 billion gap between Tether and USDC. And these are number 1 and number 2 stablecoins on the market. But now Ripple's Jack McDonald highlighted the company's emphasis on regulatory compliance. We have not seen a stablecoin like this have this much transparency. And McDonald stated that it will be one of the very few fully regulated stablecoins. The stablecoin market is already crowded with Tether, whose USD stablecoin has a market cap of 140 billion. Keep in mind, USDC's is right around 42 billion, as you guys can see right here. Earlier this year, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse suggested that the U.S. government might be going after the leading stablecoin issuer, prompting a harsh response from Tether's Paolo Ordino. Now, Circle's USD stablecoin, which boasts a market cap of 42 billion, is likely to be RLUSD's main competitor, since both players prioritize regulatory compliance. And of course, USD stablecoin is actually backed by a company in Circle, and this company works hand in hand with Coinbase. However, Circle does not have its own blockchain, which means that Ripple will be able to offer the entire package. And if you guys want my fast, quick kind of knee-jerk reaction, I don't think RLUSD will have any trouble competing with the likes of USDC and USDT. But I do think all three of these stablecoins have a place in the market. I think all three of them out of the gate serve different populations, right? So like RLUSD, in my opinion, should have the highest market cap of all if this goes as planned, right? With the banks, the big institutions. I mean, that's where the money's at, right? Tether looks to be potentially serving in various parts of the world, maybe not as much as the United States, right? Because it's not as compliant. But keep in mind, the most populated countries in the world are in Asia. It's not to say Ripple stablecoin won't be able to be used there too, but more on the business side, I think, out of the gate. But like the retail investor side, I think Tether still has a strong foothold. And then who knows? Maybe Circle's USD stablecoin for the time being is the stablecoin that those use in the United States and some of the countries in and around America, and maybe even perhaps Europe, right? And it could grow. So I think all three of these serve a distinct purpose. All three of these stablecoins have a place in the market. And obviously, RLUSD is going to add tons of liquidity for XRP. So if you hold XRP, like you are extremely bullish and you want RLUSD to do extremely well. And you don't need to do anything. Like a lot of people are asking, Zach, do I need to buy the stablecoin to have exposure? Guys, it's just backed by the dollar. It's not going to earn you any value or anything. Okay, it's going to be pegged to the dollar, but we know that it's compliant. We know that it adds liquidity to the XRP ecosystem, and we know that it provides a ton of opportunity for XRP and its ecosystem to expand. And it's going to make settlements that much easier with this one-to-one backing. So at the end of the day, if you hold XRP, you don't have to do anything with RLUSD. You just have to look at this as a bullish outlook for the future of XRP and its ecosystem. And obviously track all the news and subscribe to this channel because we don't leave any stone unturned. So I appreciate you guys for watching the video. Thank you guys so much. If you're interested in a trading indicator that works, that can help you navigate crypto, that can help you maximize your gains, this is my company, XT Algo. For a little over $1 a day, you get started, guys. 30-day money-back guarantee. Listen, I don't want to hard sell this to you, but the freaking thing works, okay? I mean, all you got to do is look at the XLM chart and pretty much every chart from November 7th to now. And this was called back at 10 cents. 324% move from then and now, 41 days on XLM. And I could go through all the charts. And obviously everything went up after Trump, but we can go back in time and see all of the various opportunities that this has presented to us. You guys can trade stocks, crypto, Forex, precious metals with this indicator. I walk you through how to use it. Links down below if you want to check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.